Hi guys, this is Agota from Rose Gold and I would like to show you some different ways how to decorate your own roll-on bottles. Are you ready? Let's do this! Today I'm gonna show you how to make a tattooed bottle. For this project you will need a roller bottle. I clean the surface with alcohol to remove any grease and dust. This will ensure that the tattoo will stick on it. You can use either a clear or coral bottle. I choose a silver one for this project. Now wait a minute or so until the alcohol dries. Choose a temporary tattoo with a design you like and cut it out. You can buy them in a Dollar Tree in the US or Euroshop if you are in Europe. I'm gonna go for these nice blue roses which go nicely with the silver color. Now you need to peel off the protective film. And then carefully place the tattoo on the bottle. Like this. Push it on so it sticks to the bottle. Then dip your cloth or sponge in water and dampen the paper. Make sure your whole paper is wet. Wait a few seconds and then carefully peel the paper off. Voila! It looks awesome, doesn't it? It's a little hack to update your Insta pictures with this simple technique. Okay, now it's time to seal the bottle, your artwork. You need to seal it, otherwise the sticker's gonna come off. You can use different techniques. I will show you just a simple way I normally do with this kind of project. So I put a hook in the bottle. If you don't have a hook like this, check out my supply video. I show you how to make one. The link is in the description. So I put it in because it will be easy to paint on it and hang it on a dryer rack. And I use Cool Top gel from Crystal Nails. It is the easiest way to seal the bottle and this won't alter the colors. So I just cover the whole bottle with gel. Make sure it's fully covered, you don't want to get any gaps. Now next step is curing the gel for 3 minutes. I normally do twice 99 seconds and once 60 seconds. You can get an LED lamp for about 15 bucks on Amazon. It's a cheap investment, so. And now it's ready. I love that you cannot see the sharp edge of this transfer sticker. If you don't have a cutting machine, it is an easy and cheap way to update your bottles. I'm gonna use a lapis lazuli gemstone roller ball on the top. This color is matching with the blue roses. And a shiny silver cap. Isn't that the easiest Ucraft ever? If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also check out my Etsy shop, it has this handmade bottle and more. If you create one of these, please send us a picture, we love seeing your creativity. If you use Instagram, please use the hashtag rosegoldDIY and it will show up on our page. Thanks for watching, happy crafting!